In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons why your AI Assist might not be working as expected. AI Assist is an add-on that powers customer communication in tawk.to. It includes a fully automated AI chatbot that can reply to visitors, generate smart replies, execute AI commands, and even use your knowledge base as a data source. But if something seems off, here are the key things to check. First, ensure that AI Assist is turned on. If the main toggle in your AI Assist settings is off, none of its features will work. Double-check this by opening your tawk.to dashboard, navigating to Add-ons, AI Assist settings, and making sure the AI Assist toggle is turned on. Second, check the feature toggles. Each feature, like Smart Replies, AI commands, or Knowledge Base, has its own on-off switch. If one is disabled, that specific function won't work, which can make it look like AI Assist has stopped responding. Scroll through your AI Assist settings to confirm everything you want active is switched on. Third, review your response delay settings. If your AI agent is set with a long delay before replying, it may seem like it isn't working, when in fact it's just waiting to send a response. You can adjust this delay under the Behavior section of your AI agent settings to control how quickly AI Assist responds to incoming messages. If the toggle is turned off, replies will appear almost instantly, while a longer delay can make the conversation feel more natural and human-like. Choose the timing that best matches your preferred chat experience and communication style. Fourth, check if a widget scheduler is active. If it's enabled, AI Assist will only be available during the set hours. Outside those times, it will appear offline. If you want it to run 24/7, you'll need to disable the scheduler. Fifth, confirm that all relevant data sources are turned on. If you want AI Assist to answer using your knowledge base, shortcuts, or other sources, make sure the toggles for those data sources are enabled. If they're off, AI Assist won't be able to use them when generating replies. Finally, keep an eye on your message credits. Each AI Assist response uses 1 credit. If your credits are used up or have expired, your AI agent will stop replying. Smart Reply won't generate responses, and AI commands won't function. To check your balance, go to AI Assist settings for your property and review the credit usage panel. If you need more, click Top Up, select how many credits you'd like, enter your payment details, and confirm the purchase. Please note that credit top-ups are only available for paid plans. If you're currently on a free plan, you can upgrade to a paid plan to access additional message credits. And that's it! By checking toggles, delays, schedules, data sources, and credits, you can quickly diagnose and fix most issues with AI Assist. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.